Hi friends, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com here to welcome you back to the 12-part mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. This event was held on September 25th, 2022 in Kelowna, BC, Canada. I partnered with my friend Terry Hamilton from Card Designs by Terry, and we created a really fun event for our local crafters. Of course, I filmed the making of all 12 cards, plus an additional 2 bonus card designs. I have been asked to sell the PDFs that were given to the attendees, and if you so desire, you can purchase them too for $10 Canadian. There's a link in the description box below. And many thanks and blessings to those of you who do. I appreciate you. Here we are with card number 3 of the Crafting at the Lake House series. I'm featuring a stamp set called Window Wishes. I wanted to make mention here that I have an online class of the same name. It's featuring the bundle and you get a free gift. I had so much fun creating with this bundle. It is super versatile, as you will see in this card here. I will put the link in the description box below in case you're interested in registering for the Window Wishes product bundle class. Moving on, here I have 3 colors that I'm using predominantly in this card. Starry Sky, and that's the card base as well. Shaded Spruce, which is the matte, and Basic White. So this product is the Stampin' Up masking paper, and I did cut this out in a curve, and now I am using the Starry Sky ink on my blending brush. Sorry, I had a hard time getting that out. And I'm just very softly blending for the top portion of the card. And it looks like I've gone in for a second time just to make sure that I'm getting just the very hillside darkened up. And that what I'm working on is a laminated grid mat sheet. You can get the small grid mats in our catalog. And yeah, of course, I'm very slowly taking it off of the Basic White. I don't want to rip anything, so I sort of pull it off against itself. If you have a problem with the masking paper sticking, just heat it up with your heat tool for a second and it will come straight off. So that was the house that I stamped on the hill. And I'm also going to stamp the word peace right in the middle of that white space. And I know a lot of people have a hard time with white space. This card is going to make you restrain. So I used Early Espresso for the roof. I was very happy with that placement. And I'm just double checking here how nicely my trees stamp. Oftentimes, and I did choose to go full on, not... I was thinking, oh, well, maybe I'll do a generational stamping. Nope, I decided to go full strength. And when something is solid like this, you may want to try the stamp off to the side before you take it to your project. So I put 3 little trees. And then just because I didn't want to mar the front, I put adhesive on my mat first, and then I put my Basic White card focal piece on top of that. And then this gets adhered down to the card base. Pretty simple card. A lot of times I've talked about simple cards being exacting, so I was very careful to make sure all of my images stamped really well, and that my sentiment was straight, and that my mat is straight, and that my focal points are straight. All of that. So I'm going to leave you. Sorry, these videos sort of come on sporadically. Just the way my life is. I'm trying to get them out as fast as I can for you. So thank you so very much for watching. You're going to find all the information that you need in the links below. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.